In this video, I'll show you how to create proposals with Claude AI. This is a quick way to generate professional proposals for clients, projects, or business opportunities. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create a proposal. For example, I might type, "Create a proposal for a website redesign project for a small business." After typing the prompt, I'll click the Send button. Claude will generate a structured proposal, usually including sections such as an introduction, project overview, scope of work, timeline, and pricing summary. If I want the proposal to be more specific, I can include more details in my prompt, such as the type of service, target client, or project goals. For example, I might type, "Create a proposal for social media management services for a local restaurant." Claude can also help format the proposal with clear headings and organized sections. Once the proposal is ready, I can copy the content and edit it if needed before sending it to the client. And that's it. I've successfully created a proposal using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.